calling, and I'm already there. I want a crisp cup of coffee, clean and bold, that's how it ought to be. I want a crisp cup of coffee, fresh brewed fire, waking up in me. Hot in the mug, smooth when it hits, first morning taste, and I'm loving every sip. I want a crisp cup of coffee, Crispier coffee, that's the drink for me. To perfect coffee use distilled water and bulletproof brand grounds. Fire up the brewer, hear that bubbling sound. Measure it right, let the dark roast drip, steam rolling high from the edge of my cup's lip. No muddy flavor, want the taste coming clean, strong little morning running caffeine machine. Kitchen smelling like a fresh roasted green, black coffee rolling with a smooth head of steam. Pour it up hot, let the whole room know that fresh ground flavor's getting ready to go. From the first little drop to the last dark stream, I'm chasing that cup that's crisp and clean. I want a crisp cup of coffee, clean and bold, that's how it ought to be. I want a crisp cup of coffee, fresh brewed fire, waking up in me. Hot in the mug, smooth when it hits, first morning taste, and I'm loving every sip. I want a crisp cup of coffee, Crispier coffee, that's the drink for me. Sun coming up and the day's kicking in, coffee in my hand with a satisfied grin. Little bit stronger, let the good times roast, raise that morning mug and give the brew a toast. From the beans to the grounds, from the grounds to the cup, when that rich aroma hits, you know I'm waking up. Simple little ritual, but it starts my day right. Crispier coffee from the morning into daylight. Drip, drip, pour it, let that fresh roast flow. Sip, sip, taste it, that's the way to go. Hot cup, fresh ground, morning coming alive, give me that Crispier coffee, and I'm ready for the ride. I want a crisp cup of coffee, fresh and bold, that's how it ought to be. I want a crisp cup of coffee, pour another hot one down for me. Steam rolling up while the sunrise hits, and nothing like the flavor of those first few sips. I want a crisp cup of coffee, Crispier coffee, yeah, that's the drink for me.